Hello everyone, in this video I am going to present some myths in science and its scientific explanations. Before that, just subscribe our channel and enable the bell button so you would get all the notifications. You would have seen this picture even before, and most of us believe that there is only 5 senses for human, but no. But the modern science says there is more than 15 senses, and I will explain that now. When you have a fever, you could feel the heat of your body by yourself. This sense is called thermoception. Our body has a sense of balancing. This sense is known as equilibrioception. Have you tried of moving after closing your eyes? You can move a small distance. This sense of body is known as properioception. If we have a pain somewhere in our body, we can feel it ourselves. This sense is known as nociception. I believe that you have understand that there is not only 5 senses and there are many more. Normally people say they only need oxygen to breathe. But do you know if we only breathe oxygen, we will be dead. Many scientists say billions of years ago in Earth there was excess oxygen. That may be the reason for the extinct of many organisms, like dinosaur. Now you would have understand why did I say like that. You can also find this all across internet. Myth number 3. You should drink 8 glasses of water a day. This is completely strange and a myth. We should drink water when we are thirsty. It's not compulsory to drink 8 glasses of water a day. This doesn't mean that water is a bad drink. By drinking water, your health increases. It's better than any other drink. Hope you understand what I mean. It's not compulsory to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Hope you like this video. Please share this video to everyone to clear all the myths on science. And also a huge thanks for everyone who made this possible. This is crazy. Thanks for your support.